Namaste, Har Har Mahadev. This is Arnika and you're watching Arnika Blog. Let's tell you or begin with a single question. A question so simple that most people think they already know the answer. What is education? Is it a degree, a certificate, a report card, a university name print on a piece of paper? Or it is something much bigger? Because if education was a simple degree, then everyone graduate would be successful, right? If education was simply information, then Google would be the smartest person in the world. And if the education was simply memorizing answer, then the machine would replace every human being tomorrow, right? But they haven't, because education was never meant to give us the answer. Education is not the answer to a question. Education is means to all the question, right? And that's the difference, changes every single thing. Today I want to share a story about a curiosity, a story about failure, and a story about one company that changed the world because of the people were brave enough to ask the questions, not because they had answered. So let's begin, guys. The day curiosity changed the world was in 1998. Two young students at Stanford University were working on a research paper, right? They were not trying to build a billion-dollar company. They were not trying to become famous. They simply had a question. A question many people thought was impossible. Their question was, can we organize all information in one word and make it accessible to everyone? Think about this for a moment. No organization, only a library. No organization, a Sachi. No organization, a country. Organization, the world information is, most people would laugh, right? Most people would say it cannot be done. But education taught them something powerful. It taught them how to think. It taught them how to experiment, how the question assumptions are there, how to solve a problem. And those two students were Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and their project became Google. Google was not born for the answers. Google was born from a question powered by education. So guys, the biggest myth about education is someone or somewhere along the way society starts believing a dangerous myth. The myth is that educations end when the school ends. But real education begins when certainty ends. The world is changing faster than ever before. See now, artificial intelligence, climate change, space exploration, quantum physics, things the job our children while having in the future, right, not be even exist today. So how can you prepare them? Not by the technique teaching them not with the technique of teaching them everything. That's impossible, guys. But by teaching them how to find the answer, how to think critically, how to adopt learning, how to learn, because knowledge has an expiration line date. but learning never expires, right? So years ago, when I start my journey, I want to start my journey as an entrepreneur. I believe success comes from having all the answer. I want to appear confident. I want to look intelligent. I want people to believe that I know everything. And the reality taught me a different lesson. Every meeting, every new challenges, every new people around me having different problems, giving solution. Even I'm learning every change in market is unexpectedly changing. And suddenly I realized something. The most successful people in the rooms were not the one with the most answer. They were the ones who is asking the best question. The questions like, what are we missing? What can we improve? What does the customer truly want? What's the problem we are actually solving? This question build businesses. Those questions create innovations. Those questions create growth. And education gave us the ability to ask them. So let me tell you another story. In 2000s, Netflix approached Blockbuster. At that time, Blockbusters were the king of entertainment. Netflix was a small startup. Netflix offers itself for a sale. The price was just $50 million. Blockbusters rejected. They offered. Why? Because they believed they already had the answer. Netflix keep asking questions. What if people do not not want late fees? What if customer wants movies delivered to their home? What if one day people stream content online? Those questions change entire industry. And today Netflix is worth $1 billion. Blockbuster is in history, right? The difference wasn't about the intelligence. The difference was about the curiosity. One company protect the answer and other pursue the question. Most important skills of the future people often ask are, what is the most important skills for the future? Is it coding? Is it artificial intelligence? It is marketing? Is it communication? What it is? My answer is simple. The most important skill is learning, because if you learn, you can adapt everything. If you can adapt, grow. If you can grow, you can survive, and anything can change through education. Education is not just the preparation for the life. Education is life itself. Every book you read, every mistakes you make, even every conversation you have, every challenges you overcome, that's your education. Guys, if I told you what school should really teach us is, imagine a classroom where students are rewarded not only for correct answers but for the powerful question. Imagine workplace where employees are encouraged to challenge the assumptions. Imagine a society where curiosity is valued more than the centricity. Innovation would be exploited. Creativity would flourish. Processes would be escalated, because everything has breakthrough in the human history started with a question. Why does the apple fall? Can human fly? Can disease be cured? Can we reach to the moon? every resolution begins with a curiosity and education transformation. Curiosity into achievements are the important thing. Hey guys, the world's most built the future belong to people who never stop learning, not because they knew everything, but because they understand they never will. The moment you think we know everything, it's the moment growth stops. The moment you stop asking the question, it's the moment the innovation dies. Education keeps you curious and alive. Education keeps you possibly alive. Education keeps the hope of alive. So today I'll leave you with one final thought. The next time someone asks you what is the purpose of education, do not just say it's is to get job, or do not just say to earn degree. Do not just say to we have to just pass this exam. Tell them that education is not the answer to a question. Education is the means to all answer all question, because answer may change, technology may change, industry might change, right? But the world may change, but a curious mind, a learning mind, educated mind will always find a way forward. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being curious. Thank you for believing in the power of education. Peace.